The second reason you need the house cleaner's training kit is it is not every house cleaner's training kit. It is the kit used at your company and it is online. How does that work and how does that help? This is what the cleaner will see when they log into my company's website, which is company number 47. Minus this little edit key that you will see when you sign in as the administrator of the website. Is this little edit key that turns this manual into your manual. If these aren't the products and tools you use, then wipe them out and put yours in. It's as easy to edit as a Word document. The manual covers every aspect of cleaning each area for a regular clean, in the kitchen, bathroom, or again when dusting. It does not cover heavy tasks in a deep cleaning, such as inside of the oven or cleaning the inside of the refrigerator, which can be taught at retraining sessions. I mentioned earlier it's online. Tomorrow I will cover the multiple uses and advantages of online training that places it a cut above traditional house cleaner training. See you then.